Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we've got something that's bound to make your eyes light up: the Dell UltraSharp U2723QE 4K UHD WLED LCD Monitor. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just need a stunning display for your office, this monitor is packed with features you're gonna love. Let's dive right in. The Dell UltraSharp U2723QE boasts a 27-inch 4K UHD display with a widescreen 16:9 resolution. Perfect for binge watching your favorite shows, immersive gaming, or tackling your daily office tasks. Plus, it's got an anti-glare, 3H hard coating that keeps those pesky reflections at bay. Get ready for a visual feast. This monitor gives you more than 8 million pixels, delivering crisp and vibrant content. And with a brilliant 400 nit brightness, your movies, games, and work documents will pop like never before. It's time to say goodbye to dull displays. Speed matters, especially when you're gaming or watching action-packed films. The Dell UltraSharp U2723QE rocks a 5 milliseconds GTG response time. That means you get smooth visuals even during intense gaming sessions, sports events, or your favorite action movies. Your eyes deserve the best. Dell's Comfort View Plus, an always-on, low blue light screen, reduces harmful blue light emissions without messing with those beautiful colors. It's all about keeping your eyes comfortable, even during long hours in front of the screen. Let's talk connectivity. This monitor is your hub for productivity. It's got USB-C with up to 90W power delivery, RJ45 for Ethernet, DP 1.4, and HDMI. Plus, quick access USB-C with power charging and super speed USB ports. No more cable chaos on your desk. Time to supercharge your productivity. The Dell UltraSharp U2723QE lets you connect to two PC sources, and with Auto KVM, it seamlessly switches controls. Picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes let you view content from two PCs side by side. And guess what? You can daisy-chain two 4K monitors for the ultimate multitasking experience. It's not just about what's on the screen, it's how it fits into your workspace. This monitor comes in a premium platinum silver finish and features an elegant cable management system to keep your setup neat and tidy. It's a monitor designed to match any workspace with style. Comfort is key, right? Well, you can tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height of this monitor to find that perfect viewing angle. Work comfortably, your way. Get ready to be productive at every level. Dell's Display Manager features easy arrange, allowing you to tile multiple applications across one or more screens. With 38 preset window partitions and personalization options, multitasking has never been smoother. That's a wrap on our journey through the Dell UltraSharp U2723QE 4K UHD WLED LCD Monitor. If this review helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech goodness. Questions or thoughts on this monitor? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, enhance your visuals, boost your productivity, and stay tech savvy. Catch you in the next video.